Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram Reels to Camera Roll. First, open your Instagram app. From here, scroll through and find the reel that you want to save or download. To make it easier, go to Reels on the bottom. And then, search for the reel you want. Once you're here, tap on the three dots on the reel. After that, tap on Share. And now, tap on Copy Link on the bottom. After it's done, open your browser. Now search and go to Instagram Downloader. From here, you'll get to see a lot of options to choose from. I'll choose igram.io on the second link. Once you're here, just paste the link that you just copied. After that, tap on Download. Now you will get an option to download the reel. From here, just tap on Download MP4. Now, as you can see, the reel will be downloaded to your phone. Just wait for it to get downloaded, and then, once it's done, you will be able to view the reel on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.